I wanted to go over Pfizer. Pfizer has just been getting destroyed lately, as well as Hershey's chocolate. Um, a lot of value has been getting hit recently because it looks like money's flowing into growth again, and has been since early 2023 with all the stock buybacks, etc. But if you look at the RSI, I'm on a monthly chart here, which means every candle is 1 month movement. We are at what here? We're at RSI hasn't been this low since April of 2009. Now, that doesn't mean I'm in a hurry to jump and buy this. Things that move down slowly and slowly trend down are going to end up going down for a longer period of time in my experience from what I've seen, and also take a while to go back up and also take a while for them to shoot back up. Now, if Pfizer had just shot from $50 to $29 in like 3 days, it's gonna bounce, and it's gonna bounce pretty hard. Could continue down after the bounce, but the fact that it's just slowly went down this whole time means that it's gonna probably go up slowly. So I'm not in a hurry. It's just something to take a look at. That the RSI is pretty low, and we're lower than we were when we first initially dropped during COVID as well. It's something I have on watch here. Also, Hershey's. I said a lot of these value stocks can just get smoked. We're hanging out over here on the CMA, but RSI, we're at 2018 lows right now. Let's take a look at this on a different chart here. We're starting to curve back around. RSI was just absolutely bottomed over here. If we drew a channel, we can see that we broke out of it right about here. We have a little volume gap I'm looking at here over to $202 that I think we could push. I jumped in Hershey's chocolate because usually it goes, if you look at it historically, in October it likes to push. And right around October 30th, 31st is a fantastic time to buy puts, and it usually peels back for a little bit. That's part of my calendar trading. I'll do a separate video on Walmart later. But I ended up, it was just like Pfizer. It slowly moved down. And I thought we were at a bottom. And I bought, and I was wrong. I waited for this volume gap over here. And I averaged down. I'm green now, thank goodness. But I'm waiting for this volume gap to go ahead and take the rest of my profits. I've already trimmed some. Let's take a look at it on a daily. On a daily, this is why I trim. Right here on this EMA. I see we broke out of this channel, came back and bounced off it, but that was my price target one, was right there on that EMA. Again, though, we've got a volume gap into the 200s that I'd like to see us fill over in here. So we'll see if that happens. But Hershey's, they pay a dividend. I was wrong on the entry, but overall it was beaten down so much with the average down. I had a fantastic entry around 184 or 185, right around there. We're at 197 now. So again, I would like to see it crack above this EMA. It may come back down and cool off for a week or two before we hopefully come up to fill this volume gap. So this is another one I have on watch. Pfizer is going to be on my radar. It wants to keep going lower. But I thought that was interesting with RSI hadn't been that low since '09. I guess COVID's over, right? If you guys like this content, you can follow and like and follow this video for more. I'll be pumping out content just about every day here.